friends, welcome back to Life with Tamika Lynn. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, I do appreciate the support. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I have made it back home. If you caught my last video, I did go over to Europe to meet my husband for our anniversary. We spent a few days in Warsaw, Poland, and it was an absolute vibe. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love Warsaw. We had, incredible food. We spent a day at a spa. I mean, it was so nice. I absolutely loved it. I wouldn't mind going back at some point. But anywho, I did pick up a bag while I was there. So if you haven't seen that video, go back and check it out. I'll link it below. She is definitely in my top 5 bags out of my collection. I absolutely love that bag. But in today's video, it's all about inserts. So I was contacted by a brand and asked if they could send me out an insert to use. And so I have finally received that insert. So I want to talk about it in today's video. I know people have a love-hate relationship with inserts. Me personally, I like inserts. There are bags in my collection that I feel like they would not be as functional without an insert because they're just big bags and it's just like a big hole. So I like the idea of being able to, organize my bag with the insert, putting items in certain places, being able to easily reach and, obtain a certain item. Like for instance, my AirPods, I can put them in like a little slot and they're easy to pull out. So if that is something that interests you, please stick around. So the lovely people over at JLYZ Moon reached out to me and asked if they could send me an insert. After some discussion, I decided that I wanted to try out an insert that would fit a SPEEDY bag. So I actually went with an insert to fit my SPEEDY 25. So, they sent me the link. They are on Amazon. I will link everything down below. They sent me the link and asked me to make my selection. They gave me the option to choose, colorway. The insert is a silk insert, but I was able to choose the colorway that I wanted. And then of course the size, and I went with size 25. So I was traveling, went by my post office box, but I finally got back, picked it up. And so we're here today. In the box, so the box came like this. And inside the box, and I haven't opened it yet, but it came with the insert, and I think there's some extra stuff in here, so we're gonna look at that together. But I definitely appreciate, them reaching out to me and sending me this stuff. So I have 2 SPEEDY 25s, and then I have a Gucci bag that is about the same size as a SPEEDY 25. So I'm gonna actually show you guys what the insert looks like in those different bags. Just being honest, the 2 SPEEDY bags, one I've never used and it's been in my collection for several years, and the other one I've used for an hour. On my birthday last year, I took it out, was gonna use it, went to a store, came back home and swapped back out. Not sure why, I don't know, but my Gucci bag that I'm gonna show you guys, I use that one often. I'm actually using it as we speak. So I don't know, maybe with this insert, it'll help me use it more, maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, so in the box, there's this little pochette, and like I said, it is silk. So I think this can probably hold makeup, lip gloss, toiletries, something of that sort. And then there's this thing, which is probably, I would say you could probably put some cards in it or something. I'll actually go back and look and see what the actual, name of these items are. And then there's the actual insert. So I'm gonna open this and then I'll be right back. In the insert itself, there is a little base to it to make the bottom, more secure. So there's 2 pockets right here. There's 2 pockets at the bottom, and then there's 2 pockets on the side. And then there's a little D-ring that you could, I guess, attach keys to. I probably wouldn't use this D-ring for anything, but I would definitely use the base with it. So, as I was telling you guys, I do have 2 different SPEEDYs. So this one is the traditional monogram SPEEDY 25. It's not a bandolier. It doesn't have a strap. It's just the, iconic SPEEDY. I did have my initials put on it, but it you know, there's just one pocket, brown inside. And then this one was from the Wild at Heart collection. This is such a beautiful bag. I haven't used it yet. Every fall I say I'm gonna use it and I don't, but I do keep it stuffed. I keep both of them stuffed, to be honest, but this one has this beautiful microfiber interior. It has one pocket as well, but it does have that extended zipper. So I think, you know, an insert would be good with this bag because the leather, it does, you know, kind of fall in a little bit. Kind of puts you in the mind of like a soft Speedy, but this is definitely empreinte leather. But we are going to see, you know, the insert inside of, let's start with this, this Wild at Heart Speedy. So just gonna see how it looks inside. I'm gonna add the base at the bottom. All right, so it gives it shape. I've, you know, added the insert. I actually like how it looks with the insert. It makes it, you know, more structured. I know that some people like their Speedies to be very slouchy. And for my bigger Speedies, because I have two size 30s, I do like that look. But for the 25, I think I like more of the structured look. So I have a few items with me. I have my Gucci OPHIDIA wallet. I have my mini pochette, and I have my key pouch, my small key pouch. So these are the things that I'm currently carrying in the purse that I have, that I've been using for like the last week. And then I have my AirPods and then some gum. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So I have my gum right here. My AirPods are right here, so they're easy to reach. And then the inside has those three items I told you about. So I like it. The insert itself seems to be very nice quality. I like that it's silk, because there are some inserts where they're very, very stiff, and I just don't like the texture of them, but this one is actually very, very nice. Now moving on to the monogram Speedy. Now the opening isn't as forgiving because it doesn't have that extended zip, so I have to, you know, kind of like put the insert in at an angle. So you kind of like have to put it in as an angle, but the insert itself is very soft and pliable, so that's not an issue. So putting the insert in, and of course I'm gonna, you know, let down that base at the bottom. And let's see, it looks nice. I like the structured look of the 25. Maybe if I start using it, my mind could change a little bit, but just from an aesthetic standpoint, I like the way the 25 looks, more structured. It fits really nicely inside. And you know, I could definitely, I'm pretty sure I could use this size 25 insert in my size 30 Speedies, and it would just give more of that, you know, slouch look that a lot of people go for. Now, lastly, I have my OPHIDIA small top handle bag, and I have been using this bag for the last week. I had a different insert for this bag. I had bought it and I did not like it. Just being quite honest with you guys, because it was very, very stiff. The material seemed very cheap, but when I ordered it, I never opened it. So it was too late to actually return it by the time I opened, you know, the package. But I am happy to have another insert that I can actually use, because this bag has a very light interior. I will link the videos to all of these handbags down below, you know, more in-depth videos, but this is how it looks inside of the Gucci top handle bag. It fits really, really nicely. These bags are very close in size, meaning the Speedy and this top handle. So I figured it was gonna work really good. There's side pockets, which I probably wouldn't use per se in these Speedy bags, but like in my bigger bags, like my Neverfull, for example, I could stick like a water bottle inside of a side pocket. So that's the type of stuff that I would use if the bag was bigger, but in the smaller bag, I probably don't have a use for the side pockets per se. Now, like I said, I have those, you know, 3 items I told you guys about earlier, and then I had, you know, the wallet to go with this purse. Now, if I needed to bring extra stuff, I could utilize definitely, you know, these pouches that came with the bag. Even if I'm not using these 2 pouches in the bag itself, I can definitely find uses for these, like when I'm traveling, etc. So I definitely like, you know, the whole set that came together. I am going to keep this insert in the bag because I'll probably use this bag for another couple of days, but I like it a lot, and I'm extremely grateful that they reached out to me. So I will link everything down below. Like I said, they offer multiple bags, inserts for multiple brands. Go ahead, check them out. For the Speedy specifically, I want to say it went up to size 45, but I will link everything down below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you are not following me, what are you waiting on? It is absolutely free for us to be friends. Hit that subscribe button down below. While you're at it, hit that bell notification so that you're aware each and every time I upload a new video. Until next time, guys, be safe.